Creative. Today we're going to make ornaments using buttons, guys. I found these ornaments at Target and I found the buttons at a thrift store. So check out your local thrift store to find buttons. Any buttons you see with poking out protruding holes, cut those off, guys. Then you start beginning to glue your buttons to the ornament, just like that, as you see in the video. So glue the button to the ornament however you like, your choice. Doesn't have to be how I did it. Okay, and continue to do that till you are finished. Now you're going to take nail polish and paint all over the buttons until you're completely done. Now sprinkle glitter all over the buttons until you're completely finished. And shake off any excess. I happen to win a little glitter having put too much glitter, but it's your choice. You could use as much as you like, less or more, doesn't matter. Next one, this ornament was found at the Dollar Tree. You're doing the same thing to this ornament as you did the other one. Just basically adding buttons to it all around until you're completely finished. The only difference with this ornament, you're just using glitter nail polish and painting over the button instead of sprinkling glitter. And that's it. And you are finished with these ornaments, guys. How cute is this? Jazz them up and place them right on your tree. Thank you for watching, guys. Remember to subscribe, like, and share if you'd like to see more videos like these. And leave me a comment down below and let me know if you would do something like this or what would you do different. Alright, guys, so next time with Jen, remember, have fun just being creative.